Welcome back to another episode of Smash Engineering. Today we're working on the tracker yet again, and we're dealing with the dreaded seatbelt lock issue. Now the seatbelt in this thing is locking and will not let you pull it out randomly. Sometimes it'll work, sometimes it doesn't. So what we're gonna try to do is swap it out with a different one. I went to the salvage yard and grabbed a different one, and what we're going to try to do is swap this out. Right now it's working, but you hit a few bumps and it stops. You go to leave from work and it's not working. My friend has had to drive home a few times and keep trying it, and then every once in a while it'll start working. So we're just going to go ahead and swap that out, and I'm going to make a video showing you how to do that.
Smash Engineering.
Today we're at our good old salvage yard. So we found a 2002 ZR2 tracker. We're going to go ahead and start removing the seatbelt assembly all the way down to there, and there's some stuff. The mechanism is back behind this, so we'll pull that off, and I'm just going to show you in steps kind of what I do. I don't have a third person or a second person here to record me, so we're just gonna kind of go in steps so I can use both my hands. All right, we took the 14mm bolt out the bottom here, took the cover off. Now we got I believe another 14 here to remove, and then the assembly should be out. And then you got this one here, which I believe is a star bit up underneath there, and then you got it off. Okay, so first things first, we got to get this panel off here so that we can get to the whole mechanism. So first we're going to take off the 14mm bolt. It's at the bottom here. Felt like it was going to snap on me. That off. And you can see here I've already repaired this one quite a few times, and what it is the rocker panels are rusted out in the front of this, so it lets dirt and grime and stuff up in there and it clogs up the mechanism. So I've already done it once. It looks like, I don't know, this was probably 2 years ago that I repaired it, and it looks like it lasted about that long, and now it's going to give us issues. So go ahead and get this removed. There is a Phillips screwdriver, or a Phillips screw up here, and a 14mm on the bottom. Feeling like it wants to strip out, and it's just sheet metal, so I'm trying to be careful with it. Not gonna lie, that got a little fishy there. Like that, that's off. Just gotta take this top one off here, and we'll have it out. I'm gonna go ahead and go wire wheel this and put some Loctite on it so that doesn't happen again. Alright, so got the bolt wire wheeled and enough Loctite on there for a whole engine. Now what we'll do is grab the other seat. Grab the other seatbelt assembly here. Put it in place. I'm going to work the Loctite or the anti-seize into this nut here just to keep it from getting really seized up on me. That was scary, I'm not going to lie. I thought that tab might bust off, and then we got some real trouble. And then now the panel goes back on, and then this, don't forget this bolt's on the outside of the panel. And I am actually going to go get some anti-seize for this as well, just because it does get weather on it down in there. So I'll be right back. One of our best friends here, anti-seize. I'm going to go ahead and stick this back in place. Looks like it's working. You have to have the rear door open in order to do this. Just kind of tuck it in that rear door piece. Get it around there. Take a little bit of anti-seize. Down there. It's our best friend. Snug that down, you're good to go. If you pull it really fast, it should lock, because that, in its mind, you're getting in a car accident because it's jerking it. But if you pull it at a slow, normal rate just to put it on, it should stay just fine. If you'd like me to make a video on how to rebuild or how to take apart and repair this, let me know. I don't have a problem doing it. I've done it already before, so I'm pretty comfortable showing you what to look for and what to do. I will say, anytime you mess with this, you're putting your life or whoever drives the vehicle's life at risk if you don't know what you're doing. There's a mechanism in here that senses like forward G motion, like stopping real hard or hitting something, and that's what locks up the seatbelt. So just keep that in mind whenever you're messing with one of these. That's why I went ahead and got one from the factory, from a factory car with a lot lower miles and a lot newer. This was off of 04. So but that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, throw a like on there, throw a subscribe on there for us, throw a comment down below if this helped you, or if you know someone that this could help, share it with them, please. Share this on the different tracker forums and stuff for anyone who might need this. I'm sure there's probably somewhere a video on how to do this or how to fix this. I couldn't find it myself when I was looking at doing it, but again, I did that a couple years ago, so go ahead and help your neighbor, help someone in need, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.